Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $73.39, and I have already explained you that 77 is a strong resistance and 68 is a strong support. Now the price is trading above a level of $70. Until the time it is not moving below a level of around $71, we will not see that the price will move further low. Okay. And if you look at after pandemic, what we have seen that the price started moving upside, but it was moving in a range. How it was moving, that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall was coming. Okay, and this fall is quite good, around 10 to 30%. This is the range where the fall was there. Even for this particular zone, we have seen the fall has come for more than 50%. Okay, what was happening in this particular zone, that whenever it is going upside, that means suppose this is, it made a first high and then a sharp fall came and then swing form moved upside and a fall has come, and this is being repeated for quite some time. 5 times it repeated. After that, what will happen? What happened that the war situation has come. Otherwise, for the 6th time also, it would have made a new high. And then a sharp fall was there. We have seen that this particular zone, this is the period where the price of crude was moving in this zone. And then it made a high and then again a fall we have seen. Now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, opposite U pattern is forming at this particular range. And I have already explained you that if the price started falling below a level of $83, we can see it will go below a level of 60 also, and then 68 also, and can touch a level of $60. Okay, and it has already touched a level of $68. From there a bounce back we have seen. See, look at this particular trend. Okay, because 68 is a strong support. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, this is the first thing. Second thing is that opposite U pattern is forming if the price move above a level of $83.6. Okay, looking at this particular chart, now price is trading at a level of $73.79. So if it started moving below a level of 70.43, a further fall we can see. But if the price started going above a level of 77, then we can see it can touch a level of 83.6. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart. U pattern is forming here and then opposite U pattern is forming here. So what we can see looking at this particular chart, see, understand support and resistance plays an important role in if you're trading or even for investing, if you're looking for a longer view. See, we are looking for a 1 month target. So suppose if you are doing intraday, then on the day wise we can see a support and resistance, because that is where the price moves up or down by hitting the resistance or support. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are high, yes, it can sustain, and then there is a high chances it will cross a level of around $75.21, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around 75.81 after crossing a level of 75.21. Once the price started going above that level, a probability of crossing a level of around 77 will be there, because that level is also being tested. Okay, and from there a probability of going further upside we can see, and chances of crossing a level of around 82.41 is there, and it will touch a level of around 83. Okay, once the price started sustaining above a level of 83, we will see it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of 85 we can see to a level of 88, because all these levels are being tested. So keep that in mind, that once the price started sustaining this particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of $77, and if it started going over that level, a probability of crossing a level of 79.76. Okay, once the price started going up that level, we will see a level of $83.2, and from there a further upside, because there is a clear pattern forming. So chances of crossing a level of 85.26 will be there, and then to a level of 86.8, and then to a level of 88. Once the price started moving above a level of 88, a further upside movement we can see. Now understand 88 of what I'm saying, that once the price started going above 88, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $90, and then from there probability of crossing a level of 93.67. Okay, and this level is also being tested, so a further upside movement we can see. And once the price started going above a level of 85, I'll make another video explaining where it can go. Now understand, See, market is uncertain, so you have to understand, you have to save your capital by putting your SL. You have to trail your SL so that a profit can be saved. These two things you have to do, because if you have to sustain for a longer period of time, these two things are important. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of around $72.61 to a level of around probability of crossing a level of 71, because there is a clear pattern forming, so chances are high we can see it will fall further down towards a level of 69.4, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 68. Keep that in mind that once the price started moving below $68, a further fall we can see towards 66 point, a level of around 64.5. If the price started moving below that level, we can see a level of 62.24, and once the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you new to my channel,